Hi everyone, Rigiblend here, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to export from Blender and import into Blender. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, like exporting models like this, just exporting from Blender, yeah, over here and all that stuff, and importing it into any application of your choice or of your choosing. And well, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, in this video we're gonna be beginning with Blender and well ending with iClone. So this is the object I want to export from Blender, and yeah, this is just it. There's a low poly circle and a low poly sphere. Yeah. So first you go with File and you go Export, and you see all this bunch of let me bring that up again. All this bunch of file formats. Two main let me say main, yeah, FBX and OBJ, which is called wavefront. And well, today we're gonna be exporting as OBJ. Okay, simple. So you pick it any way you want it to be. I'm just gonna make it to export, and to import into, let me say, iClone, you need this application called iClone 3D Exchange, because you need to exchange it from whatever file format it is to the iClone file format, that's IC. Yeah. So now just go to where you ever saved it. That's in my documents. Let me just bring that up. Yeah. Should export stuff, drag it over here. Yes. Importing it's too small, just leave it like that, and this is it. And you go File, Export to iClone. You come into iClone and just see here, should export stuff. So let's drag it into our scene, and it loads up. So hit F to focus on it, and that's the way to export from Blender. So you can export either FBX, OBJ, or any other file format you considering the application. So now we're gonna be importing into Blender, and I'm gonna be importing, well, FBX. So let's go File, Import FBX. Okay, and now as you can see, I have a bunch of FBX file format things here, like doing weapon combo, custom mix ammo, and well, this we're gonna be importing called dumpster. I just made dumpster, and yeah, this is it. You can import anything, and when you're exporting an object, just have to delete these two things, the lamp and the camera, except you want to keep them in your new scene. I think this is it. If you learned something for this video, just give it a like and share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified when I produce an awesome video. And well, I'll see you in a future video.